As a criminology student, learning about the Alan Gomez Eileen Sarmenta rape slay case deeply disturbed me. This case, which took place in 1993, is one of the most infamous crimes in Philippine history. It involved the brutal rape and murder of University of the Philippines, Los Baños students Eileen Sarmenta and Alan Gomez, allegedly masterminded by then Caloocan Laguna Mayor Antonio Sanchez and his men. The incident not only shocked the nation but also revealed the dark reality of abuse of power, corruption, and the weakness of the justice system at that time. What struck me most about this case was the sheer cruelty and abuse of authority displayed. Eileen and Alan were innocent college students with bright futures, yet they became victims of a crime driven by lust, power, and arrogance. As I read more about how Mayor Sanchez used his influence to commit and cover up such a heinous act, I couldn't help but feel anger and frustration. It made me realize that crimes like these are not just committed by common criminals, but sometimes by those who are supposed to protect the people. As a criminology student, I found this case significant in understanding the relationship between power and criminal behavior. The mayor position gave him confidence that he could get away with anything, which reflects the concept of white collar and political crime. It shows how corruption can embolden individuals to commit even violent crimes when they believe that law cannot touch them. However, despite his power, the justice system eventually worked. Sanchez and his accomplices were convicted and sentenced to 7 life terms. This gives hope that justice, although delayed, can still prevail. Another thing that I reflected on was the impact of media and public outrage. The nationwide attention this case really received pressured authorities to act decisively. It made me realize how public awareness and accountability can help ensure that justice is served. This case also became a reminder for law enforcement officers and future criminologists like me that our duty is to uphold justice without bias, even when dealing with powerful individuals. The Alan Gomez Eileen Sarmenta case is more than just a story of crime and punishment. It is a powerful lesson about morality, justice, and responsibility. As a future criminologist, I am reminded that crime is not only a violation of the law but also a human dignity. The case inspires me to study harder and to commit myself to promoting integrity and justice in the criminal justice system. It also challenged me to remember the victims like Eileen and Alan, whose lives were taken too soon, and to work toward a society where such abuses of power will never happen again.